Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to turn on Find My Mac on your MacBook. Let's start the video. First, what you have to do, you can see here Apple icon, click on this and now go on System Preferences. Now here you can see Apple ID option, just click on Apple ID. After clicking on Apple ID, you can see here all the apps. Now what you have to do, just select this iCloud option. When you select this iCloud option, you can see here a lots of apps with the checklist boxes which you want to turn on. If you tick this Safari box, it will turn on your Mac. You have to turn on Find My Mac option. You will tick this option and you can see allow Find My Mac to use the location of this Mac. Yes, Find My Mac is part of iCloud and helps you locate, lock or erase a lost Mac. Just click on allow. Just setting up, now it is done. And if you click on options, you can see here Find My Mac if on, what does hit 2, locate, lock or erase this Mac and supported accessories. This Mac cannot be erased and reactivated without a password. Find My Network on. Participating in the Find My Network lets you locate this Mac even when it's offline. So this is the way to turn on your Find My Mac on your MacBook. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.